So tell me something. How would you feel if you saw a picture of yourself on the police's social media page saying you're wanted and wanted for murder at that, and you never do anything wrong? Well, this is what happened to Alando Gray. We're going to be hearing from him. Later in the program, we'll get some comment from the chairman of Jamaicans for Justice, John Clark, along with Mr. Gray's attorney, Nicoy Ferguson. They'll be joining us in studio. We'll also hear from Raquel Porter, our colleague, who had reported on this story and has been tracking it. But first of all, we are going to be talking to Mr. Gray. Thank you so much for joining us. This is All Angles. I'm Dion Jackson. Thank you so much for coming in. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
So that question I was asking the viewers, how would you feel if you saw your picture? So take us back to what happened when you realized what was going on.
All right, so it was the Monday. Me and my father, we went to Manchester to do some work. And upon reaching Manchester Monday, we started off the week. We worked from Monday through to Thursday. So it was Wednesday morning, actually. My brother sent a picture to me. He got it from someone else. And when I saw the picture, it said, I saw my picture, and upon seeing my picture, I said, wanted for murder. So at first I thought it was a prank, because I know of a social media page where they would get person's picture, put it up, put music on it, you know, and so at first I played it off because I thought it was a prank, and then a couple minutes after I saw a lot of person texting me now and start sending me the photo saying, what's going on? So right there and then now I start taking it serious now.
So what's going through your mind when you say you take it serious?
Now I say wanted for murder, because in myself I know say I haven't committed anything, I haven't done anything. So now I start get a little bit nauseous now, a little bit scared at the moment, because I was wondering what's going on. So I called a friend of mine who is a police officer, and I explained the situation to him, and he said he was gonna check to see what's going on. So he called, I think, most of the station, and he called me back and said I was wanted at Portmore. I said, Portmore? So he said, yes. So he said, if he get me ID and get one of my parents them and make them bring me to Portmore.
So all this time now, because first of all, you hear say you're wanted.
Yes.
2, you wanted for murder.
Yes.
3, you wanted in Portmore.
Yes.
And you say you've never been to Portmore?
Never. I've never been to Portmore, because on the photo he said wanted for murder at Portmore, Gregory Park. Places that I haven't been. So there, it just played through my mind. Then me I say, what happened? Me shocked, traumatized, because I don't know what's going on. Everything just coming on fast, quick. So after him hang up, me show my parents them, because at first me never show my parents them. Me show my father, and I say, where this come from? So me I say, Alex send me, that would be my brother's name. Alex send me. So he must say, oh this come by. So me I say, me just see it, me don't know what happened. And me call my friend, and him say me wanted a Portmore. So him say Portmore. So me say yes. So him say call Brother John, that would be a pastor friend who had baptized us. Baptized my family.
This is to go to the police station.
Yes, yeah, so I called him, and him said, all right, I'm going to call a constable to get some information on what to do. So him say him call the constable, and after him call the constable, him call me back. And him say, the constable say me to turn in myself. And so him relate to the constable, say, the young man is not a wanted man, I know him, you know. I have worked with his family, him baptized all of my family them, so the young man is not a wanted man. So him say the constable I say, me can't swear for nobody, him can't swear for nobody. So him
when
say,
you hear turning yourself now, because that are things that you hear police say to people,
yeah,
turning yourself.
Yes.
So how you feeling now?
No, me I feel afraid because now my mother I said to me say Lando if because that's what they call me Lando. So I say Lando if you turn in yourself, even though you know do nothing, you know commit no crime, then probably hold on upon you. And me I say mommy, me don't know what to do. Cause everything just a come on fast. We don't know which step to take. So I called my uncle. And he say him soon call me back. So I call the pastor now, that would be the pastor for my district, that would be in Seventh Maypen. And I explained the situation and asked him if he could have bring me in. And him say him have a issue that him have to sort out the next day. So him probably would have to get back to me. So I said, all right. So I called that next person that would have been my coach, that I played for his club, football club in Clarendon. And him say he could have carried me in the following week, that would have been Tuesday.
That you had to go in the next morning.
Next morning.
Eventually took you in.
So the pastor that I called first, you know, I called him back and I explained the situation to him, that they said that I had to turn in myself.
Right.
Because the situation is serious. So, and him say, all right, him go see him, can him come pick me up tomorrow. That would have been the Thursday, 8 o'clock.
So he came for you?
Yes,
and
he
who
came.
else went with you?
And my father went with me as well. So we were planning to go to Maypen police station. That's where I was going to turn in myself. Then he said that, you know, we have to turn in myself at the nearest police station. So that would have been Mandeville. So we went to Mandeville. He went in first, talked to the police, then he came back out and called me and my father, and we went in and I explained the situation to a police officer. And he said, all right, him talked to an inspector, and the inspector said, him not have nothing to do with that. For them, is not in for them parish, so them not have nothing to do with that. So him said,
so you end up at Portmore station eventually.
So he said, hold on. So he went and made some calls, and then he came back and said, Portmore said them if place me in a custody. Yes. He said, Portmore said them to place me in a custody till them come for me. So upon hearing that now, I start crying because I say, but me explain the situation to you, so why you have to place me in a custody? I say, that are the procedure them to place me in a custody. So them carry me in the waiting room, and meanwhile I still in the me did there for probably about 20 minutes. Because them send me my father and send him to go buy stuff, underpants, marina, toothpaste, toothbrush. So then now me I think in my mind, so them really are going to put me in a cell.
You haven't done anything wrong.
After me explain what's happening, and them run them check, them had to take off my clothes, you know, them put me in one car, them bend down, cough 3 times, and after that them me log my name in one book and them put me in one cell. So me in the cell now, a lot was going through my mind, because the fact that I haven't done anything and I'm trying to explain to them, and this is the condition I have to go through. You know, it was really, it was starting to get to me mentally.
So how long were you there before you got transported to?
So I was there around about 10 o'clock. I was there from 10 to 4. The Portmore officers from Portmore came for me, and when they came, the police came for me in the cell. He took me out. He told me to put my shirt over my head, and put the shirt over my head. Them bring me out. Meanwhile, they bring me out. Him say, pull down the shirt. So me, because me have my hand handcuffed, them have my hand handcuffed there, you know, so me say me can't pull on the shirt. So one of the police them draw down the mouth part of the shirt, and they must say, I really look like him, man. And I must say, yeah, man, I him. And them bring me going in a service vehicle. So after them drive off now, them start drive for about 10 minutes, them start say, boy, you're a killer. So me I say, me I'm not a killer. Them say, yeah man, you're a murderer man, you kill people. You know, you commit crime man, you kill somebody. So me I say, me not kill nobody. I say, yeah man, you kill people man, you're a murderer boy. We are carry you go up a Portmore, go show you a real murderer. Fling in a cell with real murderer, them mash you up. So me, in my mind now, I start get freaked and I say, I 4 of them, me alone, and me in a middle, and them a carry me, them can do anything to me at any time. Because 2 of them, one sit on the opposite end over here, so one sit on the next end over here. So, and when they came into the vehicle, both of them took out them gun. Them put one of them have them gun in them lap, next one have him gun in their lap, and the 2 they are front. And them a drive, and just me and them alone. Now my mind now, me a pray, because me a say, them can do me anything. And just blame me for the fact say me attack them, then can say me attack them. And them have to do what them have to do. So then and there, I don't know, me just lock me eye, me pray until me reach Portmore. When me reach Portmore.
Hold on there. I have to take a break. Let's go to the break. We'll pick up with the story on the other side of the break. Stay with us and remember our WhatsApp line, 876-254-0693, 876-254-0693. Give us your first name, your general location. We'll soon come.